Hi, this is the first review of the CMAT examination first slot. So as far as the review I'm getting is the paper was extremely simple. What I've talked to the students is that most of the questions could be easily solved. A lot of people had enough time to go back and solve the whole paper again, as a matter of fact. What is going to make a difference is the GK part. So anyone who is good at GK is expected to crack the paper. People who are weak at GK will suffer in this examination. So coming to individual sections, as far as logic section goes, there was a group of 5 questions on blood relations. There was 2 to 3 questions on directions, 3 to 4 questions on syllogism, and so on. Right. So overall, it was easy questions. They were not something which will take time. There's only one group question of blood relationship. Remaining all were individual questions. Coming to mathematics, again most of the questions were simple. There were hardly 1 or 2 questions which were a little time consuming or which could be said to be tough. Otherwise, most of the other questions were said to be easy. Or most of the questions were based on arithmetic. There was 1 or 2 questions on geometry, 1 on probability, 2 or 3 on permutation combination, and 1 set on data interpretation. Also, English was not very tough. There was a set of RC with 7 questions. Now, what was known in this paper was the negative mark. Now, when people solved the paper, they realized that there was no negative mark for DI and RCs. Remaining all the questions are negative mark, but DIs and RCs didn't have a negative mark. Now, we don't know whether this is a fiasco which similarly happened in the XAT examination. So, if what is told is true, that means there will be no negative mark, because in the main instructions was also not mentioned anything. Because in the XAT paper, they clearly mentioned the main instruction that there would be negative mark for all questions, whereas here it is not mentioned. So we'll wait and watch for more specifications with regard to that. But yes, the cutoff overall should go to maybe about 350, because people may lose marks maximum in GK. People who are really good in GK should be able to score well out there. So if I'm talking about cutoff in terms of Bajaj, 99.99 percentile. Last year the highest was 360. This year it will go, the cutoff may go to 360. I mean, it will definitely go about 350, but the cutoff for Bajaj may actually go to 360 for anyone who is good in GK. I hope that clears the first round, first lot analysis. All the best for your results.